Okay, dear students, we are in determinants 4.5 exercise, and in the last class we have finished the question number 14. Now 15, 16, 17, 18 we will finish and we will close this exercise. See what they have asked. This is a big question. That means say 6 marks for NCRT, CBSE and all. 6 marks it is going to come like. But because this is a lengthy question. For the matrix A, 3 by 3 matrix they have given, so and so. Show a cube minus 6a square plus 5a is equal to minus 11a. Actually, they have given plus 11a is equal to O. But I have changed this. Why? Because anyway we have to change. Why should we do? See, why should we find again minus 11a plus 11a you add and make 0. Rather than that, you can directly make minus 11a. Hence find A inverse. Based on this formula only, equation only, we have to find A inverse. This already we have done, but we have done up to A square only in earlier. I think 13th question. Okay. Now we have to do A cube also. See what I am going to do. I will find A square. I will write A and A square here. Again we will find A cube. I am going to rub. Again we are going to find A cube. Again we are writing A square, A cube. Then this formula I am going to write down, this equation. Then that equation we will write and we will equate. We will show like that. Okay. That means what we are finding, A is there, A square we are finding, or else 6A square. See, no 6A square. You write A square and why? Because see, again while finding A inverse, 6A square may not become. Different thing may come. This we have done already. Let us do again, once again. Okay. What I am doing, you see. A square, first I am finding A square. Why? Because A is there. A square, A cube we have to find. After finding A square, again you can find A cube also. Let us find A square. A square is equal to A into A, that is equal to 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, minus 1, 1, minus 3, 3. Okay, another one. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, minus 1, 1, minus 3, 3. Is it okay? First, observe. Okay. Put arrows. Okay. Now do the calculation. 1, 1, 2. 1 plus 1 plus 2. Okay. Then 1, 2 minus 1. 1 plus 2 plus minus 1. 1 plus 2 minus 1. Okay. 1, 2 minus 1. Then 1 minus 3 plus 3. Okay, next 1, 2 minus 6. 1 plus 2 minus 6. Okay, next 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 plus 3. 1 plus 4 plus 3. Okay. 1 minus 6 minus 9. 1 minus 6 minus 9. Okay, now 2 minus 1 plus 6. 2 minus 1 plus 6. Okay. 2 minus 2 minus 3. 2 minus 2 minus 3. Okay. 2 plus 3 plus 9. Okay. Now see what is going to come. 4 minus 3, 7. Is it okay? 8 minus 1, 7. Okay. 2, 8, minus 3. Is it okay? Why? Because see, 2 minus 2 is going to get cancelled. Okay, 1 minus 15 minus 14. 5, 14. Is it okay? This is A square. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to write A square and A cube here. Okay, I am going to rub this. You pass and note down. Okay, see, A and A square I have written. a and a square is there. 5 into a we can find, 6 into a square also we can find, but a cube we have to find a cube, a square into a again. Okay, let us find a square into a cube is equal to, write down, a cube is equal to a square into a. You see 1 into 4, 4. Okay, 4 minus 3 plus 7. 4 minus 3 plus 7. Okay, again 2 plus 8 minus 3. Second row. Okay, third row. Again, you go third row, third column. Sorry, first row, second, third column. You see 1 minus 14 plus 14. Okay, then 4 minus 6 minus 21. Okay, 2 plus 16 plus 9. Okay, 1 minus 28 minus 42. Minus 28 minus 42. Okay, and third 8 3 21. Okay, 4 minus 8 minus 9. 4 minus 8 minus 9. Okay, then 2 plus 14 plus 42. Okay, now you find this a cube also. Find a cube. Okay, 4 minus 3, 1, 1 plus 7, 8. Okay, minus 27 plus 4, minus 23. 28 plus 8, 36. Is it okay? 28. Sorry, 29 plus 2. 24 plus 8, 32 only. I have done wrong. Okay, let us see once again. 4 minus 3, 1 plus 7, 8. Okay. 4 minus 6, minus 2, minus 21, minus 2, minus 23. This is also okay. 8 plus 3, 11. 12, 32. Okay. 10 minus 3, 7. 18 plus 9. Or else 25 plus 2, 27. Minus 4, minus 13. Is it okay? Why? Because see, minus 4, minus 9, minus 13. Okay. Now 1. See, 42 plus 8, 50, 20, 70. 70 minus 1, 69, minus 69. Okay. Now here, 42 plus 4, 46 plus 10, 56, 58. Okay. See, this will be a cube. What I am doing, you see, I am writing this formula here, I am rubbing this, again I am writing a cube here. Okay, like that you have to follow. Okay, now you see, we have got a square, a cube. See, what we have to prove? We have to prove like this, you see. A cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i is equal to O. Okay, now what I have done, see this 11i, that side I have changed. That means automatically this is going to become minus 11i. Is it okay? Why? Because one operation you can reduce. You can write this. Like equation you can write. That is not wrong. A cube minus 6a square plus 5a is equal to minus 11a. You have to prove. Show that means. You see, a cube is there. Okay. 6a square means, you see, a square is there. Into 6 you have to make. Carefully. Okay. Into 6 if you make, 6a square will become 6a square. That means scalar multiplication. That is easy. First let us do a cube minus 6a square. These two. Then let it come one figure. You keep aside. Then again you add 5a. 5a means 5 into this one. You add. That should come minus 11a. One by one we do. I'm going to remove this one. Finally, with this formula, we have to find a inverse. That we can find afterwards. Okay? Okay, let us do a cube minus 6a square is equal to. First I am writing a cube minus 6a square. A cube minus 6a square is equal to. Okay. How I am writing, you see? A cube is there. 8 minus 23, 32, 7, 27, minus 13, 1, minus 69, 58. Minus 6a square. Wait. A square, we know 6a square means all you have to multiply with 6. See, rather than writing 6 outside, one step, another step, directly I am writing. If you want, you can write directly, or else you do 6 into something. Again, next expansion. Okay, directly I am expanding. 6 into 4, 24. 6 into 3, 18. 6 into 7, 42. 6 into 2, 12. 6 into 8, 48. 6 into 3, 18. 6 into 1, 6. 6 into 14. See, 6 threes are, 14 threes are 42. 14 sixes are automatically 84 will become. Minus 84. Plus 84. Okay. Now perform these two first. Then we will add 5a afterwards. Perform these two. Okay. 8 minus 24 minus 16. Is it okay? Okay. Minus 23 plus 8. 18. Minus 5. Minus 23 plus 18. Minus 25. Okay. 32 minus 42 minus 10. Is it okay? 32 minus 42 minus 10. Okay. 7 minus 12 minus 5. 27 minus 48. 1, 2, 21. Minus 21. Is it okay? First you see. Minus 48 plus 27. 1, 2. Minus 21. Okay. Minus 13 plus 18. 18 minus 13. 5 plus 5. Okay. Now you see 1 minus 6 minus 5 plus 84 minus 69. Plus 84 minus 69. 5, 1, 15. Okay. Okay, let it be. Minus 84, 58. Minus 84 plus 58. 6, 2, 26. Minus 26. Okay. See, this is a cube minus 6a square. Again, I am writing this. Okay, top. See, like this only you have to do. A cube minus 6a square. Again, plus 5a you have to do. Okay. See, what you have to do, I am not doing. You have to do this. You write again. And 5a I am adding this. Okay. A cube minus 6a square plus 5a. 5a I am adding directly to this. 5a. I am adding. 5a means into 5. Multiply. 5, 5, 10, 5, 10, minus 5, 5, minus 15, plus 15. Okay, now you add. See carefully. While adding, you have to get minus 11i means, see, minus 11, 0, 0, 0, minus 11, 0, 0, 0, minus 11 has to come. Okay? Or else 0, add 11i this side also, and finally you will get this 0, 0. That also we can do, but let us do now. Okay? Okay. See, minus 16 plus 5, minus 11. Remaining all 0 has to come. You see, minus 5 plus 5, 0. Minus 5 plus 5, 0. Okay. First row, okay. Now second row, first one 0 has to come. Minus 5 plus 5, 0. Minus 21 plus 10, minus 11. 15 minus 15, 0. Minus 10 plus 10, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Minus 26 plus 15, minus 11. Is it okay? That is equal to minus 11i. Okay? LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved or hence verified. Like you can write and close this 50% of the question. Why? Because we have not yet finished this A inverse. A inverse also have to find. For A inverse also these three are required. At least A square and A is required. A cube may not be required. Why? Because one is going to be reduced. I know. Okay. First note down this one. Then we go for remaining A inverse also. Why? Because A inverse also he asked us to find. This is a big question. Okay. You see now what they have given. This they have given. This is equation. Based on this equation only, how to find A inverse. How to find? I am going to split this as A square into A inverse. A inverse, how it has come? A inverse, both sides I am multiplying. Okay, why? Because we want A inverse. Okay, see how I am doing. See how I am doing. Like this we will do afterwards here. Okay, A cube means what I am writing? A square into A inverse. A inverse I am multiplying for each. Minus 6 A into A inverse. We don't have space there. Then I am writing down only. Okay. You see, A square into A inverse minus 6 into A inverse plus 5 into A inverse is equal to minus 11 I into A inverse. Is it okay? See, nothing I have done. A cube I have transfer made as A square into A cube. But A inverse for every term I have multiplied. Both side, equal to both side. 6A square also 6A into A, but A inverse. 5A into A inverse, 11I into A inverse. Okay? You see, we know very well A into A inverse is I into something, I into some other matrix is that matrix. Okay. So A into A inverse means A square I minus 6A I plus 5I, that is equal to minus 11 I into A inverse Same formula here also you apply. I into A square only minus I into A only plus 5I is equal to minus 11 A inverse. Okay, now you see, you don't require A cube for doing this A inverse. A square A. With both you can find A. So A square is there, minus 6A plus 5I. 5I we know, 500,050,005. Okay, minus 11I will come, minus 11 A inverse will come. For A inverse, again 1 divided by minus 11 or minus 1 by 11 we have to do. Let us do. See how I am doing. A square 4 minus 3 7 2 8 minus 3 1 minus 14. Okay, minus 6A. 6 times you multiply 6 12 minus 6 minus 18. Okay, now you don't add 5A now. First you do this one, afterwards we will add 5A. Let us do this, afterwards we will add 5A. Okay, or else you write this as A square minus 6A. A square minus 6A is equal to, okay, see, 4 minus 6 minus 2 minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 7 minus 12 minus 5 2 minus 6 minus 4 8 minus 12 minus 4 minus 3 plus 6 3 1 minus 6 minus 5 minus 14 plus 18 4 14 minus 18 minus 4. Okay, A square minus 6A. This is A square minus 6A. Again you have to add plus 5A. Write down here. A square minus 6A plus 5A is equal to, A square minus 6A is this one, minus 2 minus 9 minus 5 minus 4 3 minus 5 4 minus 4 plus 5a. 5a. Sorry, 5i. 5i. 5i means what? 500 050 005. Oh, okay. Now you see what you have to get this. No, you don't know what you are going to get. Why? Because this is minus 11a inverse. Okay. Let us do. What will come and all we don't know. Let it come and we will do afterwards a inverse. Okay. See, plus 5 minus 2, 3. Minus 9. Minus 5. Okay. Then minus 4. Here you see minus 4 plus 5, 1. 3. Minus 5. 4. Here you see carefully. Plus 5 minus 4, 1. Okay. See, this is minus 11 A inverse. But you want 11, sorry, A inverse. How to write A inverse? I am writing here, you see. I am writing here, okay? See, A inverse is equal to minus 1 by 11 into, okay, minus 11 A inverse, A inverse is minus 1 by 11 into, this one you have to write. 3 minus 9 minus 5 minus 4 1 3 minus 5 4 1. Okay. See, shall I transfer this minus inside? Definitely I can transfer. If I transfer this inside, then minus plus 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 minus minus plus minus minus. That means wherever plus is there, or you remove. Okay. Now this is your A inverse. 1 by 11 into minus 3, 4, 5, 9, minus 1, minus 4, 5, minus 3, minus 1. This is your final answer for your 15th question. Take this one. We will go for 16th question. That is also bigger question. Like this only it will take time. Okay. Let us take. Okay. See the 16th question. A they have given. Asked us to find or show that this a cube minus 6a square plus 9a minus 4a is equal to 0. Hence find A inverse like he is telling. So what I am doing, I am finding a square. I will write this equation here and a square here I will write. Again a cube I will find. Again I will write a cube here. Then finally we will do like this. Okay. Let us proceed. First let us find a square. Okay. See how I am doing a square. A square is equal to 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2. Okay, into 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2. Okay. See, this multiplication you have to do. Okay. See how I am doing. 2 into 2 4 plus 1 plus 1. Okay. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 1. Okay. 2 plus 1 plus 2. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 1. Plus 1 plus 4 plus 1. Okay. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 2. 2 plus 1 plus 2. 2 plus 1 plus 2. Okay. Now minus 1 minus 2 minus 2. Now plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. Okay. Now see, this is a square. Okay. A square. We will find this final and we will write here. Equation we will write somewhere else. Okay. 4 plus 1 plus 1. 6 minus 5. 5. Okay. Minus 5. 6 minus 5. 5 minus 5, 6. Okay. See, this will be your a square. What I am going to do, this equation I will write here and a square I will write here. A square, a cube we have to write. Okay. Then we will do it. Okay. Note down this one and I am going to rub this. Okay. You see, we have find a and a square. A we have, they have given, a square we have find. Again, what we have find, we have to find a cube also. Okay. 6 into a square we can do, 9 into a also we can do, 4a also we know. 4a we need not find, it will come. Let us find a cube. A cube means a into a square. Okay, a into a square. Let us do a into a square. Okay, here only is there. Okay, 2 into 6, 12 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, then 2 into 5 minus 10 minus 6 minus 5. Okay, 2 into 5 10 plus 5 plus 6. Okay, minus 6 minus 10 minus 5 plus 5 plus 12 plus 5 minus 5 minus 10 minus 6 6 plus 5 plus 10 minus 5 minus 6 minus 10 plus 5 plus 5 plus 12. Okay, see, this is a cube. Add, then a cube will come. A cube we are going to write that side. Okay, let us add this one. Okay, 10 plus 12, 22. All minus 11 minus 21 plus 21 minus 21 22 minus 21 21 minus 21 22. See, this will be your a cube. I am writing here and I am going to rub. Why? Because this equation we are going to verify now. Okay, note down. Okay, see, we have found a square, a cube also. All I have written a square, a cube. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to prove or show or verify a cube minus 6a square plus 9a minus 4i is equal to O, or that is equal to 4i. What do we do? Two terms we take. First we take a cube minus 6a square we will do. Then we will add 9a to it. Then we will see whether it comes 4i or not. If 4i comes, so hence proved, like that we can write. What I am doing? A cube minus 6a square I am taking. Okay. Let me take a cube minus 6a square. Why? Because 6a square means 6 times this one. That we can write easily. A cube minus 6a square is equal to, a cube you write down first. 22 minus 21, 21 minus 21, 22 minus 21, 21 minus 21, 22. Okay. Minus 6a square. See, 6 times this one. 6 6 are 36, minus 30, 30, minus 30, 36, minus 30, 30, minus 30, 36. Okay? Okay. Okay. First, let us do it. Okay, 22 minus 36. I think minus 14. Okay, minus 14. Okay. Plus 30 minus 21 plus 9. 21 minus 30 minus 9. Plus 30 minus 21 plus 9. Minus 36 plus 22. Minus 14. Minus 21 plus 30. 9. 21 minus 30 minus 9. minus 21 plus 39, 22 minus 36, minus 14. Okay, you see now a cube minus 6k square value is this one. Now 9a we have to add this. Okay, what I am doing, I am directly adding, but you don't add directly, you write again. Okay, or else I am writing here. What I am writing, you see, a cube minus 6a square plus 9a is equal to, like I am writing again, I am adding this 9a to this one, 9a. 18 minus 9, 9 minus 9, 2, sorry, not 2, 18 minus 9, 9 minus 9, 18. Okay, now you see, if you do this operation, 4i has to come, 400,040,004. Okay, let us do it. If it comes automatically, we can say that 4i. We can say that verified. Okay, let us do it. 4i. You see, plus 18 minus 14, 4. Plus 9 minus 9, 0. Minus 9 plus 9, 0. Plus 9 minus 9, 0. 18 minus 14, 4. Plus 9 minus 9, 0. Plus 9 minus 9, 0. Plus 9 minus 9, 0. 18 minus 14, 4. Okay. Now this is equal to 4i. Hence verified or proved, like you can write and close this 50% of the question. Okay. Remaining 50% you have to prove this is A inverse also you have to find, not prove. We have to find A inverse. What is the formula? I am writing that formula, this equation here again, once again. We are going to find with this equation only, A inverse. Okay. For that, I think A cube is not required, but A square and A both are required for finding A inverse again. Okay. Note down this. I am going to rub this. Again, we will go for that equation. This is equation. Minus 4i is equal to O also you can write, but I have written like this. Why? Because you can reduce one step or like earlier. Now, okay, this is not wrong. Okay, with this equation only how to find A inverse. How to find A inverse? You split this A square into A like that. Again, afterwards you multiply A inverse both side. Okay. Both at the time, shall I do or one by one I will do? See, one by one I am doing. You see, A square into A minus 6A into A plus 9A is equal to 4i. Okay. You see, here I have splitted these two. Now what I am going to do, I will multiply A inverse both side. Why? Because we want A inverse. Okay. If I multiply with A inverse, A square into A inverse minus 6A into A inverse plus 9A into A inverse is equal to 4i A inverse. Okay? Okay. A square I, why? Because A into A inverse is I, minus 6ai plus 9i is equal to 4. I into A inverse is A inverse. This we know very well. Okay. I into another matrix is that matrix. Okay. Here also you see I into A means A. I into A square means A square. A square minus 6A. Why? Because I is going to disappear. But here I is not going to disappear. Why? Because only I is there. That is equal to 4A inverse. See, now you require only A square. 9i you know very well. 900,090,009. Okay. See, if you perform this operation, automatically you are going to get to 4A inverse. A inverse means 1 by 4. That's all. Okay. Write down now. First I will do only A square minus 6A. Okay. A square minus 6A is equal to A square I have got you see 6 minus 5 5 minus 5 6 minus 5 5 minus 5 6 minus 6A. 6 times 12 minus 6, 6 minus 6, 12 minus 6, 6 minus 6, 12. That is equal to, okay. Now let us find this. Afterwards we will add 9i. Okay. 6 minus 12 minus 6. Minus 5 plus 6 1. 5 minus 6 minus 1. Minus 5 plus 6 1. 5 minus 6 minus 1. 6 minus 12 minus 6. Minus 5 plus 6 1. Minus 5 plus 6 1. 6 minus 12 minus 6. Okay. You see, this is only a square minus 6a. Plus 9a you have to add. Okay. I am adding plus 9a. First you note down this. Again I am going to rub this. Okay. Okay, take down now a square minus 6a plus 9a. See, plus 9a, 9a. Yes, plus 9a you have to write that. I have removed that one. Okay. Now add 9a this one, 9a. Minus 6, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 6, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 6, plus 9i. 9i means what? 9, 0, 0, 0, 9, 0, 0, 0, 9. Okay. See, if you do this one, 4a inverse is going to come. Okay. For a inverse is going to come. 4a inverse. Again for a inverse 1 by 4 you have to make. Okay, let me make this one. 4a inverse is equal to. Okay, you see, minus 6 plus 9. 3. See, 1 minus 1. Okay. Here also you see 1. Minus 6 plus 9. 3. Then 1. Minus 1. 1. Minus 6 plus 3. 3. Plus 9. Okay. See, this is 4a inverse. You want a inverse. Write down again. A inverse is equal to 1 by 4 into, copy this one. 3, 1, minus 1, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 1, 3. Okay. Take this and we will go for 17th question. Okay. 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 You see this question, 17th question. This is a conceptual question, concept based question. Let A be non-singular matrix, square matrix of order 3 by 3, then adjoint A determinant. See, we find until now adjoint A, but we have not yet find determinant of adjoint A. Determinant of adjoint A, what is going to come like, he is asking. Answer is B, but how to come under, I am going to explain to you. Okay. You see, one formula we know. What is that formula or statement or proof? See, adjoint A into A is equal to A into adjoint A, that is equal to determinant A into I. This formula we know very well. Okay. Another formula what we know? Another formula like this we know. Determinant AB is equal to determinant A into determinant B. This formula, these two formulae we know already. Statement are have taken verified, or rather we can say verified rather than proof. Okay, these two statements we have already verified earlier classes. Okay, now what I am going to do, these two I am taking A into adjoint A. Okay. Before that, first let me find this one. What is this? I already told this is a matrix like all are matrices. This is a matrix. Why? Because the determinant A is a scalar. If you multiply with I, that I is what? 3 by 3. You see what I am doing here? Determinant A into 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This will give you like this. Determinant A, determinant A 0 0 0, determinant A 0 0 0, determinant A. Is it okay? That means this is determinant A means scalar only. Inside matrix is there. Okay. Now if I do determinant, what will come? What I mean to say, determinant A, I, determinant. That means this determinant you have to do. This determinant if you do, you see, into determinant A square minus 0. That means determinant A cube. Is it okay? Definitely okay. If you do determinant, okay. Without determinant, the value is this one. Okay. Now, this you remember and we will go back again. Okay. Now I am taking only these two. Okay. I am putting determinant both sides. A adjoint A determinant is equal to determinant A I determinant. Determinant A determinant I have already shown. What is that? Determinant A into determinant A square will come. Okay, already I have shown now. Okay, this side you see determinant A into determinant B. Like that it will split. Split is determinant A into determinant B. Okay, now we cancel these two. That's all. Adjoint A determinant is determinant A square. Determinant A square. You put this one. You understand the concept? Okay. Shall we go for 18th question? Let us see the 18th question. If A is an invertible matrix of order 2, invertible matrix means we know non-singular matrix. Okay. Then determinant of A inverse is equal to, you see here, these two questions are like conceptual based. A inverse determinant we have not yet done until now. Okay. We can do. Why? Because we know concepts. Our fundamentals are strong. Okay. If determinant A inverse is equal to what they are asking. Okay. We know one formula. What is that formula? Basic formula. A inverse is equal to I. Okay. Now, see, determinant A inverse means we will put both determinant here. A inverse A determinant is equal to determinant of I. Okay. Now, let it be. This will become, you see, A determinant into A inverse determinant. Is it okay? This side. Okay. This side I will tell you. See, what is I? 2 of 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means, you see, 1 0 0 1. That's all. And matrix. But now determinant means what? Determinant I is equal to 1 into 1 minus 0, that is equal to 1. That means determinant I value is 1. Okay. Now you want determinant A inverse is equal to 1 divided by this determinant go down. Okay. Then what you are going to keep? You are going to keep this one. Okay. This is conceptual based question. Okay. Now see, we have finished this 4.5 exercise. What we do, we stop this class here. In the next class, we will see 4.6 exercise concepts and all. Why? Because the application of matrices and determinants or equations are there. Let us do those also. We will see concepts. If any concept is there, we will tell concept and we will go exercise 4.6. Okay. Thank you very much.